Through hands-on experience and theory, the electrical program prepares students for a career in electrical construction by providing exposure to all trade facets, including the use of pneumatic, hydraulic, and electric-powered tools, diagrams, schematics, and blueprints, wiring installations, splicing, bending, conduit, and more. Students have the opportunity to use various electrical test equipment and classroom simulators to learn valuable electrical skills and concepts, and then put those skills to the test in practical application as they wire a house from the ground up. Students also have the opportunity to test for NCC ER core certification and earn apprenticeship experience. The program stays current and relevant by staying up to date with all national electrical codes and using our contacts in the industry to remain an effective teaching program. The electrical trade is an exciting, fast-paced industry with plenty of opportunities for growth and further development.